how to find the community chat in Facebook Messenger. For that, you need to open the Messenger application. Once you open, and on the top left of the screen, you can see the three-line icon. Tap on it, and here you can see that Messenger has automatically shown you the community that are available to chat on. If you want to edit, you can simply tap on this community's edit icon, and here you'll get the list of all the communities that you can chat on. You can also edit it. You can simply tick mark it and select it as well. If you don't want, you can untick mark it in this way and simply tap on save, which is at the top right of the screen. You can open it and start talking to this community chat. In this way, you can easily find the community chat in Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.